So this is how the wig looks. Now I'm going to take off the little netting that comes with it, just so that you guys can see the wig in all its glory. So I've just took the netting off of the wig, and this is what we have, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a really nice ruby red. In as much as I've reviewed red wigs in the past, they were more like a 99J, whereas this is more a BG, and at the top we've got like a nice colour one, so really nice jet black that flows into the red. The wig is also extremely long, and it's kind of got like these natural curls at the bottom, very natural. Just drop the wig. Wow. Now I have actually unpackaged this wig prior to filming it, and the first thing I noticed about this wig is the quality of the hair. Now in as much as this is obviously a synthetic hair, I would say this is like top quality synthetic hair. Like, it is so soft, like it's so easy to brush through. It's amazing, and the hair just looks so nice and silky. It's absolutely gorgeous. So now let's move on and talk about the lace really quickly. So this is what the lace of the wig looks like, and as you can see, it's parted here on the middle part. Now one thing I do love about this wig is how much lace there is. As you can see, it's parted very far back and can even be parted back a little bit further. It almost mimics that of a frontal, which I think is really nice. And there's also just a lot of space for the lace. Some synthetic wigs are described as like lace fronts, but there's only like a centimeter of lace, which isn't great in terms of if you want to glue down your wig. So this is really nice. The wig also has come with some pre-cut baby hairs, if you guys can see that, which I think is really cute. Obviously some people don't like to lay their hair down with baby hairs just because they think it looks unnatural, but sometimes I think it does look natural depending on whether or not you know how to like style it. In terms of the structure of the wig, we've got two combs here and here opposite each other. Now I don't really use the combs when I put a wig on, so they may be cut off, but I do notice that they don't have one at the back, which I think is nice because sometimes I do feel as though it can get in the way. There are also the typical kind of like bungee clips that are in wigs, which are very useful. If you do find that the wig is too big, you can hook the clips together just for a tighter fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay the wig off camera, and then I'm gonna be back to give you guys my final thoughts on the wig. As you can see, guys, I've installed the wig off camera. I literally used the yellow Got2b Glue Blasting Free Spray to install this wig, and it has laid absolutely amazing. I didn't even have to go in with like the gel or the glue. Literally just the spray was enough for it to lay, and as you can see, it looks really natural, especially the lace. Like, it literally looks like scalp. So I absolutely love that, and I love that there's a lot of actual lace space for the wig. Like, if I wanted to part it somewhere else, I absolutely could. I was going to demonstrate, but my comb is very much elsewhere, but I think just for the purpose of the video, I'm going to grab it. Like, if I literally wanted to part my wig and have it like here, I literally could, and I just think that's so amazing. It's not very often with a synthetic wig you'll find something so versatile that it can be parted elsewhere. Do you know what I mean? The fact that this is almost a frontal is amazing, and the fact that it's super affordable as well is just absolutely sweet. The colour is amazing. Like, it just looks so good on camera and even better in person. I love the whole ombre look as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. In terms of shedding, I would say very minimal shedding. I mean, I have quite a bit of hair in my hairbrush, but I have been brushing it quite a bit just because I've been doing the most. You know, I was looking at myself in the mirror or whatever, I was flicking the hair around, so I had to, you know, brush it out. But I wouldn't say the shedding is something to worry about. The length of the hair is absolutely stunning. It is a very long length, and I love that. And obviously it's got like this kind of natural curl to it. If I decided to straighten it, it would of course be a lot longer. I'm just gonna go on my phone and confirm the length of the wig for you guys. Oh my god, it's only 22 inches. It's only 22 inches, but it feels so much longer. However, standing up, it does kind of look like that length. Wow, it feels so much longer than 22 inches. This, honey, you could have fooled me. I thought this was about 24, 26 inches. So that is amazing. It does tangle a little bit, I'm not even going to lie, but most synthetic wigs tangle, so I can't even, you know, can't be too mad about that. But yeah, that is literally everything I wanted to say about the wig. I think I said everything earlier when I was unboxing it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this review. Big shout out again to ReadyWig for sending me this wig in the first place. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to put a link to the wig in the description box below, as well as a discount code. So if you do want to get this wig, and I definitely think you should, I'm going to advise you to of course use the code. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and hit the subscribe button down below, and hopefully I'll see you in a later video.